Good morning, good afternoon, good evening at whatever the time you are watching this video. This is Pankaj Atas and I am the co-founder of Five Corner, a leading real estate consultancy here in Ahmedabad. And today we are going to unveil a luxury property that you are not going to get anywhere else. And today, as I said, we are going to unveil a duplex apartment which is located at Corporate Road, Ladnagar. And that is my commitment. If you are going to stay with me for this entire video, you guys are going to like this video, and of course you will love this entire beautiful duplex. So that is my commitment. You guys have to be till the end. So without wasting much of anyone's time, I think we should go for the site visit, right? As we have entered into the main drawing room of this duplex, this is a ground floor of this duplex, and once we enter, on my left hand side you will see the entire drawing room, which is double heighted. If you guys will see the entire height of this duplex, that is 22 floor, and you can see this tremendous chandelier, which is one of the highlight of this entire property. And on the back end, it is like the Buddha's statue or the Buddha's painting, which has been hollowed out, which is again it's adding a lots of beauty into this entire duplex, right? So here is the couches and the main your drawing room, and along with this there is a coffee table, or you can consider that as a teapot. So once you get further into this drawing room, you will see this beautifully designed dining table, which is like the florid designs are there, and it is like 6-chair dining table. And along with this dining table, you will guys going to get your second chandelier, which has been situated at the upper of this dining table, right? So this is what your dining space is. Of course, there are some sort of beauties are been located out there, right? And what exactly you are going to see in this entire house, wherever you sell, you will see the air condition. It is totally been air conditioned apartment, and into this along with this dining table, you will see it's a space where you will get some sort of a standing balcony, and along with this you are having a swing also. So this is what it is. So once you get out of this, here is the space where all of your family members, the female member of your family will definitely love the entire space of kitchen, right? Because this kitchen is modular done kitchen, and along with this there are lots of shelves are been available, right? What you all need to do is take your stove and get started your kitchen, right? So this is what exactly your kitchen area, and along with this what you guys are going to get a shelf where you can put your oven or your whatever you wanted to put, right? And here is the crockery table or crockery showcase, which is also been available here, right? So each and every detail has been taken care of whenever you are planning to move into this apartment. Each and every things has been taken care of, right? So once we go further into this one, this is what we have considered right now is the drawing room and the kitchen, right? Once we go further, you will see the entire what you can consider this as the first bedroom, or you can consider this as the activity room, because this apartment is having 4 BHK, that is 4 bedrooms, and one more, the attached washroom and all those things, right? So here is your first bedroom that you can consider into activity room, or your guest room that you can consider this bedroom as it is, right? And along with this you will get the balcony, a standing balcony you are going to get into this one, right? And the washroom and everything will be there. Okay. So here is the washroom space you are going to get, and if you are not using this room as the bedroom, then what you can consider this as your storeroom, right? So once we get out from our first bedroom, this is on my left hand side, it's second bedroom. So on ground floor you will get 2 bedrooms, and this bedroom you can consider as children's room, or you can consider your parents' room. Those who are elderly age, they can consider this as their bedroom, or your parents' bedroom that you can consider, right? And along with this, each and every bedroom is having attached washroom, so there is no need to be worried about that, about the attached washroom and all those things, right? So this you will going to get along with this, right? So once we get out of our second bedroom, you guys don't need to be worried about the other, I mean the common washroom and everything, because here everything, I mean the common washroom is also been given into this one. So this entire apartment is 4 bedroom and 1 allotted, 1 common washroom, right? Okay, so here is that much space has been given. I mean, sometimes I got confused like where to go, and because it is very huge. If you consider the square feet, if you want to talk about the square feet, that is 3330, man, that means 3330 square feet of space, and that is super build up area. And if you are interested in carpet, then that is like 2150, so 2150 square feet of carpet, which is usable carpet, right? So this is the space you are going to get. Once you get on the first floor, you will see the entire staircase or storage space has been given. So there is no actually you are not going to lack of any kind of storage space here in this one. And once you enter on your first floor, here you can see the entire reading room, or your work from home kind of culture is of course been very common into this one. And here is your boss chair. Here is what you guys going to look when you are sitting on this one, right? So that is your main office work, what you can consider, or this is what exactly the table is. Of course, when you are having this kind of chair, of course you will definitely have those trophies and all your certificate that you can showcase here in this shelf, right? So on both the parts you are having this showcase of yourself and everything, right? So once you are entered on the first floor, there is a third bedroom, and here is the third bedroom, right? So whatever the bedroom you are entering into, you will see AC, master bed, and wardrobes, and everything is totally tuned up. It's fully furnished, so you guys don't need to be worried about the furniture. And of course I don't need to show any kind of washroom, because already it is allotted into this one, right? So here is the third bedroom that we have covered, and now we are entering into the fourth and the master bedroom. So before I enter, I wanted to warn you guys, if you will watch this bedroom, you guys going to blow your mind off, because this is the huge, this is called the luxury property, and this is, I can assure you that you guys have never ever seen this kind of bedroom, because the size of this bedroom is 24 by 14 feet, right? It's a humongous, you can consider it, right? Because in this apartment, we are into Orchard Woods, right? Into the entire video we have not covered what exactly the project name or the scheme name is. The scheme is Orchard Wood. Basically this is 3 BHK apartments, but right now we are unveiling a duplex apartment, and where you will get 4 the 4 bedrooms, and this one is humongous, right? Whatever you see here are the wardrobes, right? Lots of space is given, and whenever you are feeling comfortable or whenever you are having your personal time, you can be seated here, and here is the couch where you can relax and enjoy your family time or whatever your personal time, right? So here is the couch, and whenever you are seeing, here is the view of garden space has been available. So it's like a very huge space has been given into this entire bedroom. And I already said that is the space of this bedroom is 24 by 14 feet. If your child wanted to play any kind of game, they can easily play into this one, right? Okay, so along with this master bedroom, I wanted to show you a very spacious thing into this master bedroom, and that is the balcony. And once you enter into the balcony, here is the view, guys. Here is the view that you are going to get along with this apartment, right? So it's a garden facing flat. It's of course it's on first floor. or the first and second floor of combination, right? This is a duplex again, and along with this, I mean this scheme, you are going to get lots of amenities like children's play area, gymnasium, and the gymnasium is of course AC gymnasium that you are going to get, and there are lots of like the gazebos and the gardens and all those things are also been available with these schemes, right? So this is what your fourth bedroom will look like, right? So once we get out of this bedroom, and here is the view that I wanted, of course, going to give you from the first floor, because when I have said that when we enter, here is the view from first floor. This entire chandelier look is been given from here, and your living room, right? You can of course see your entire living room from first floor, right? So this is what exactly the 4 BHK apartment, that is 3330 square feet of super builder, and you are going to get 2150 square feet of carpet, right? So this exactly the duplex apartment looks like, right? And of course you don't need to be worried about your faith and everything, because the entire temple room or the puja room or the puja space is been given here. That entire temple space is also been available here. Okay, so friends, here we are ending this video, and before I end this video, I just wanted to give you my feeling or my thought, what exactly I am feeling right now, because the entire feeling that I am considering right now in myself, that is a very luxury life in very affordable rate, because the entire apartment is available at very low cost. That is, you know, if you want to purchase any kind of bungalow or kind of duplex here in Prahlad Nagar location, of course you have to spend around like 3 or more than 3 crores of rupees, but this entire apartment is available at 2 crores only, and of course the price is negotiable, right? So if you are interested into this apartment, of course I know that all of you guys are very much interested into this one, so you will get my contact number into this one. So just give us a call, we will arrange a site visit for this apartment, and you guys are going to have a tremendous experience visiting this property. So guys, I know that you must have seen the entire video, and I'm having that kind of confidence that if you have watched this video, then you must have liked this entire duplex, and just give us a thumbs up, because your likes and comments give us lots of appreciation to go beyond our limits. So this is it for myself. Again, I will be back with new video.